Welcome back. Now that you know how to define your information need, it's time for the next step, building a search strategy. Many students think searching is simple. You type a question, press search, and hope the perfect article appears. Real research doesn't work like that. Searching is an active process. Every search teaches you something, and every result helps you improve your next search. Today, you'll learn how experienced researchers search smarter, not harder. Today, researchers have another tool available, AI research assistants built into many scholarly databases. These tools can help you explore a topic, suggest useful search terms, and point you toward relevant literature, but they work best when combined with your own search strategy. Think of searching as a conversation. You ask a question, the database answers. Sometimes the answer is exactly what you need. Sometimes it isn't. That's completely normal. Good researchers don't expect their first search to be perfect. Instead, they adjust their search based on what they discover. Many modern library databases now include AI research assistants that can recommend related concepts, explain unfamiliar terminology, or suggest additional keywords based on your topic. Think of these tools as research partners. They help you refine your search, but you remain in control of the final decisions. Every search is simply the next step in learning about your topic. One of the most common mistakes is typing an entire question into an academic database. Databases work best when you search using concepts, not full sentences. Start by finding the main ideas. For this question, we have three important concepts: artificial intelligence, critical thinking, university students. These concepts will become the building blocks of your search strategy. Researchers don't always use the same words. One article may say artificial intelligence, another might use AI, generative AI, or even ChatGPT. That's why experienced researchers always think of synonyms before searching. The more useful keywords you have, the more complete your search will be. If you are unsure which keywords researchers commonly use, many library databases now offer AI-assisted recommendations. These suggestions can introduce new vocabulary, related concepts, or narrower and broader search terms that you might not think of on your own. A good search strategy starts long before you open a database. Let's see how this works in Primo. If we search only for artificial intelligence, we get far too many results. Now let's combine concepts using AND. This immediately makes the search more focused. Next, we'll add a third concept: higher education. Finally, we can use filters to find recent peer-reviewed articles. Notice something important: we didn't search harder, we searched smarter. Every researcher experiences searches that don't work. The important question isn't "why did I fail?" It's "what can I change?" If you have too many results, make your search more specific. If you have too few, try broader terms or additional synonyms. If nothing useful appears, consider searching another database. Searching is about adapting, not guessing. Here is a habit that experienced researchers use all the time. Keep a simple search journal. Write down where you searched, which keywords you used, and what happened. Did your search return too many results? Too few? Did changing one keyword improve your search? A search that doesn't work is never wasted. It helps you understand your topic and improve your next search. This is one of the biggest differences between beginners and experienced researchers. Beginners often search once and hope for the best. Researchers expect to search many times. They compare results, try new keywords, switch databases, and gradually improve their strategy. Searching is not finding the answer immediately. It's about learning more with every search. Let's review your research toolbox. Start with clear concepts. Think of synonyms. Combine ideas using Boolean operators. Use filters to improve your results. Search more than one database. And keep a search journal so you can learn from every search. Together, these tools help you search efficiently and confidently. Before your next assignment, try something different. Instead of repeating the same search again and again, change your strategy. Add a synonym. Remove a keyword. Try another database. Use filters. Small changes often lead to much better results. In the next module, we'll learn how to evaluate the quality and credibility of the sources you find. See you next time.